everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Passion. So I'm gonna be doing a reaction to Jazz. She has a new channel called Little Perfect. Let me see, what is it called? Little Perfect Lives. So she put all her lives on here. I think she just started dropping lives when they went to Cabo, I think. Because she only has like 500 subscribers on this channel, so she haven't had this channel long. All right, so I'm just gonna react to the part when Armon sits down and he's gonna play rock paper scissors with Jazz first, and I think Lotto second, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, I'm just gonna react to this. But first, before I get started, I need you to like my video. I need you to like my video right now, because you know it's gonna be great. And if you are not subscribed on my channel, who better? Who better? Ain't nobody better than Beauty Passion. Nobody. All right, let's go. Hey, y'all, this is Editing Beauty Passion. Y'all, I don't know what happened to the footage. I basically was setting y'all up to let y'all know what was going on. He did rock, paper, scissors with Jazz first. Then he did it with Lotto. Yeah, I don't know where that footage is. So this starts him doing a rock, paper, scissors with Lotto. The footage where he did it with Jazz, yeah, I don't know where it's at. So this is where this video is going to begin. Also, let me add that before this scene while he was drinking with Jazz, I did make a comment about how I feel like the world pushed Armon to drinking. And here he go. And I just feel like, you know, we were kind of pressuring him. We were saying, take shots with Nay. Come on, drink, Armon. That better not be water. Come on, shots. And we pressured him. So here he goes, drinking at Cabo. So here we go. Y'all got what y'all wanted. Armon is drinking at Cabo. I don't know. For some reason, I felt like it was deeper than just him having a drink. You know, sometimes you got to understand people, you don't know what kind of upbringing he had. We don't know if he had a drunk. If his mama was a drunk, we don't know if his daddy was a drunk. We don't know if somebody close to him was a drunk, and he's seen the effects of it, and it affected him in his earlier life. I mean, in his earlier childhood. So he might have said to himself, I never want to be like that. You know, it could be a generational thing. You know what I'm saying? I'm just being honest. It could be some kind of generational thing. Or he might know, like, I got an addictive spirit. So I really don't want to drink, because then that'll just be something else that I'm addicted to. You know, something else that I might like doing. So I don't know. That's just me thinking. Tell me what y'all thoughts of it. Am I thinking too deep in it? I just always felt like it was something deeper than him just not wanting to drink. I felt like it was something like he seen something in his past or in his early childhood, and he said, I'm never going to drink because I never want to be like that or get like that. But if he is in Cabo just having fun and having drinks, and then when he get back to the U.S., it's back to, no, I'm not drinking, then that's fine too. But I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking too much into it. Let me know what y'all think below, because I be knowing, like, when I be looking, like, I had somebody, like, I knew somebody that drunk was an alcoholic, and then his dad was an alcoholic. Then their granddaddy was an alcoholic. Like, it was a generational thing. You know, so tell me how y'all feel about Armon drinking. Did y'all like the drunk Armon? Y'all like him drinking and enjoying life? Or do you wish he would have just never started drinking?
Come on, play one time. Come on.
One time, man. One time. 2 times down there.
3 times. Come on.
We got Lotto in our money.
Let's get it. Man. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay. Yeah.
Bucky, Bob. I don't know, did you just win?
Time right. No, time right.
Oh, okay.
No, get the fuck out here. Fuck out here.
Why you not like that with the rock, paper, scissors? Just let Lotto come through.
Nah.
Shot number 3 or 4, I think. Let me think. He lost twice. I think this is shot number 3. Yeah, this is either 3 or 4. I don't know.
Oh, bro. Nah. I'm not taking a little shot.
I was just thinking this nigga like today 5 times in a row.
She did. a lightweight though. Smoke you. Who? You. You don't know no. Okay. I know you. No. I know you. Come on. Yeah. It was like that.
No. Where's Lotto's girlfriend at? We ain't seen her since he dumped her ass in the pool. I know she mad at his ass. We haven't seen her since. I know. Y'all can't tell me, oh, she was just playing. No. He was mad at her. That's why he dumped her in the pool like that. He was mad because he fell in the pool accidentally. She pushed him or whatever. He slipped in the pool and he still had his phone in there. In his pocket. He was mad at her. That's why he dumped her twice. They was even. And then he dumped her the third time. That was it right there. We ain't seen homegirl since. And from what I understand, on one of the lives that somebody asked where she was, and they said she was in a room because she was mad at him. I'll still be fighting Lotto.
This nigga stupid. Come on. This nigga stupid. Come on. Rock, paper, scissors. I know his ass. I am not sweet, bro. Don't come here thinking this shit is sweet, bro. Take that shot, man.
Hold on, Lotto.
Yeah. He on here talking crazy to Swiggity. Y'all heard him talking crazy to
He
me.
was talking crazy.
Talking crazy.
Hey, one thing I knows about, I don't want to say drunk Armand, but Armand with liquor in his system. He be more turned. Like, without liquor, he be turned. With liquor, he extra turned.
Me.
Oh my.
You can't talk crazy to Swiggity.
Talk
You ready?
crazy to
All right, let's stop right
Swiggity.
here. Stop right here. That video like.
Hit that video. Niggas a toddler right here, man.
Not a toddler.
You ready? Okay, bro, come on, bro. Come on, let me cut, bro. Y'all ready? Thank you. Thank you.
What's up?
Zani came down the stairs looking flawless, baby. Hey, Zani. She came down the stairs like a model. Hey, Nene. Nene got on her shades. And she like, dang, how many more shots are mine?
Let's go.
No, boy, he's capping.
Nene walked past Armand like she had a little attitude or something. I know we ain't got no beef in Cabo. Did y'all see how Nene walked past Armand like that? Mm-hmm. Yup, I seen it. But I'm going to be quiet.
Okay, he's scared. He's scared. You ready?
Anybody that's ready to play that shit at my voice head.
Send it to me. You ready? Take that bitch.
This shot number 4 or shot number 5. One of them. Somebody tell me what shot number this is. This shot number 4 or 5.
Yeah.
He acts so goofy. He act goofier. Okay, that's pretty much the end of the vlog. They just about to get ready to leave. Jazz finna come back on the screen and say bye-bye to us. Yeah. So, y'all tell me in the comments below. How y'all feel about Armand drinking now? How y'all feel about it? Yeah. I'll meet y'all in the comments. Let me know how y'all feel. Thank you all for watching. Hecky now, Joe. It's Beauty Passion, and I'm out.